Okay, hey folks, Mama Bee here, and I got this cool little mason beehive, and I'm going to open it up and see what's inside of it. Looks like it's got a shiny roof. Oh, look at that. That's it. It just comes in the box. So that's really nice. Got all these little holes, tubes in there. They're bamboo tubes so that the bees can go in. Mason bees like to build their nests up in little tubes like this. And so we're going to hang it on our house and let them build up. Okay, so I've got this nail up here on the side of the house. And just like that, I got my mason bee hive.